Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Hope you're all doing well. Had a good weekend, hopefully, and we're able to kind of stay busy. I know it's kind of weird still. I do miss all of you more each week that we're not in school, so hopefully we are able to go back at some point. So kind of waiting to hear about that for sure, too. But my hair continues to get out of control. I think my wife's going to have to cut it eventually. But until then, this is what we're doing today. So I know most of you were able to kind of get into the routine and complete the flex learning before spring break. So hopefully you kind of remember what it's going to look like every day. Some of you were having problems with it though, and please join my office hours today if that is one of you. But for today, this is our to-do list. So our learning objective, I wish one of you could read it, but I will read it. I can explain what events led to the Harlem Renaissance and summarize what I am reading. So the Harlem Renaissance is a unit we're going to be starting today. We're going to be working on this for the next few weeks. You're going to learn about what that is today. So first, you're going to watch this video. It'll be posted above this, okay? Second, you're going to be completing the Monday check-in question in the Week 2 folder in this folder here, okay? I'll show you quick. Both of these assignments are going to be in here. So go to, this will be published on this Week 2 folder there. Monday check-in question, complete that first. Just a quick check-in, it's not academic related. And then there's the next thing you're going to do is this Harlem Renaissance reading. I'm actually going to take this out of this folder, but I'll do that. Yeah, this will look a little different, but that's what you're going to do. Sorry, it's kind of disorganized right now. So, check-in question, complete the Harlem Renaissance introduction reading. And then if you have not joined my office hours yet, please do that today and also send me an email or a Schoology message. I just want to know that you know how to do this because most of you do, but if you don't, I may need to know that you do know how just in case you actually need to. Okay? And yeah, I mean, that's all for today. Last thing is just to stay rad, of course. So if you don't need any more help, you can stop watching now. This is a very short one because I did get some feedback on that survey I had you do before spring break, asking if the videos were a good length or too long or too short. Most of you said they were a good length, but a few of you did say they were too long, so I'm going to respect that and try to say everything that I need to say at the beginning and then kind of go over more information afterwards so that, you can stop watching now, and then if you want to keep watching, I'll talk about a couple other things. So hopefully that'll make sense. I want to respect your feedback. That's why I had you do that survey. All right, so for those of you that want to continue watching, I am going to, show you this assignment a little bit more in detail. So if you need help on the Harlem Renaissance reading, keep watching. Again, this is going to be out of this folder. But this is the assignment for today, part 1. It's going to be a part 2 tomorrow. So this is just going to be background information on the Harlem Renaissance. So these are the directions. It just says to read each paragraph and then answer the question. You did the same kind of thing with that Black Lives Matter article, which most of you completed. That was a tougher reading than this one. I think I wanted to kind of challenge you and then see if you could transfer those ideas to this. One thing, though, I should have said this earlier in the video maybe, but some of you we're having difficulty summarizing. I know we didn't explicitly teach that before all this started, so I'm going to go over that quickly with you now. When you summarize, so you're going to be summarizing each paragraph or whatever the question asks, but when you summarize something, you're not just copy and pasting textual evidence. Some of you were doing that, which is great. It shows that you know how to do textual evidence still, but that is not what summarizing is. Summarizing is basically what you just read, like explaining what you just read in your own words, okay? So if you're going to summarize this video, you would say something like, this video taught me explained what we're doing today and also went over a few other details. And then you might go into specifics of what I talked about in this video. Hope that makes sense. Summarizing is just what is the main idea, maybe what is one fact that you learned from the paragraph, or it all could be one of these things too. So you're typing in your own words what you just read. Hopefully that makes sense. Watch this video too. This explains a lot more in detail about that. Okay? All right. So this is half of the article. It's just these 3 slides of reading and then these 3 slides of questions. I hope this all makes sense to you. All right. I think that is all for today. So I hope to see you in my office hours if you haven't joined yet, or even if you have. I still like hearing from you, so please join that if you have not. Hope to see you all today, and have an awesome day. Stay rad.